In this video, we are looking at tips on how to pack for an Italian winter holiday. We will cover not just how to pack, but what to pack. Winter travel doesn't need to be weighed down by heavy suitcases. We will explain the Italian way to travel light and look great. From coats to sweaters to footwear to beauty products, we have you covered. Winter in Italy. You're picturing cobblestone streets, a perfect cappuccino with a view, and a little amore in the air, right? Well, before we start practicing our ciao belli, please like and subscribe to our channel for more information on Italy travel. That really helps us to grow this channel. Let's figure out what to pack to keep you warm, stylish, and Italian ready all season. Because let's be honest, packing right is just as important as saying grazie with the right flair. First things first, layers. Italy's winter varies. In Milan, it's chilly but stylish. In Rome, it's a bit milder, but don't be fooled by the sun. It's still winter. And in the Dolomites, well, get ready to channel your inner ski bunny because it's snowy up there. So, think of layering like making an espresso macchiato. Start with a base, lightweight thermals or a sleek turtleneck. Add a cashmere sweater, one that's cozy but cute enough for impromptu wine dates. Then top it all off with a coat that says, "Yes, I may just be mistaken for a local." Trust me, this layering formula keeps you warm without losing that Italian La Dolce Vita vibe. Now, let's talk coats. Italy isn't the place for bulky ski jackets, unless you're literally skiing. What you want is something chic and versatile. Italians love structure and elegance, so bring a tailored wool coat that makes a statement. Maybe a classic black or a pop of color. Milanese chic is all about looking effortlessly put together. See? Bellissimo! This coat will get you through the streets of Florence, an aperitivo in Venice, or even a stroll by the Colosseum. Plus, it's perfect for Instagram, because let's be honest, that's half the fun. Alright, we've got to talk shoes. It's tempting to throw in heels or fancy boots, but Italian cities have a lot of cobblestones. Trust me, you don't want to spend your holiday with a sprained ankle. My go-to? Ankle boots. They're comfy, chic, and perfect for strutting from the Pantheon to a cozy trattoria. Sneakers are also essential. Pick something understated yet stylish. Italians are all about quality, so aim for comfort that doesn't sacrifice class. It's Italy, so accessories are a must. A scarf is not just a scarf here, it's a style statement. Pack a couple of warm, versatile scarves in neutral and bold colors. They'll keep you warm and can dress up any outfit. And for headwear, a classic wool hat or even a beret if you're feeling bold. You're not in Paris, but you can still rock a little French flair in Florence. Here's a little secret weapon, a lightweight, packable down jacket. Now, I know I said Italy isn't the place for ski jackets, but these little numbers are lifesavers. Wear it under your stylish coat on extra chilly days or for a casual night stroll. See? Practical and space-saving. And yes, you can still look like you belong in a Fellini film. Alright, let's pack smart. Italians love versatile, quality pieces. Try to limit your palette to neutrals with a few accent colors. Think capsule wardrobe, dark jeans, a cozy sweater, and maybe a skirt if you're heading to a fancy dinner in Rome. Packing cubes are a chef's kiss for keeping your suitcase organized. Italians say, less is more, so bring fewer pieces, but make them count. Remember, you're here to experience Italy, not haul half your closet across the country. Now, beauty essentials. Italian winters can be a bit drying, so pack a good moisturizer, some SPF, yes, even in winter, and a hydrating lip balm. Italian style is about natural beauty, so keep it light on makeup. Maybe a red lipstick for nights out and a touch of mascara. And don't forget toothpaste, because a smile goes a long way when you're ordering pasta alla carbonara. Final tips to feel like a local. Keep your phone handy for translating, but try learning a few Italian phrases. Trust me, you'll make friends fast. And please, no sweatpants or athletic wear for dinner. Italians dress up a bit, even for casual outings. Put in the effort, and you'll get those appreciative Italian nods of approval. Alright, with this packing guide, you're all set for a winter holiday that's warm, stylish, and oh so Italian. Just remember, Italy is about La Dolce Vita. So pack light, stay chic, and make memories that'll last longer than your Instagrams. And please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in our next video.